Hey there, friends. I'm Kat Olson, an e-commerce coach with over 15 years in online business, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs start and scale their Etsy and Shopify stores. If you're new here, I talk all things print on demand, Etsy, Shopify, and passive income. So make sure to hit that subscribe button for weekly strategies that actually work. Now, today I'm breaking down my top 5 print on demand suppliers to prepare for Q2 and Q3, including the pros, cons, and how to choose the right suppliers for your business. So let's get into it. Now, not all print on demand suppliers are created equal. Some have the best prices, others ship lightning fast, and a few lesser known to the general POD community offer truly unique products that you won't find anywhere else. I don't see some of my favorites ever talked about in educational videos on YouTube or TikTok or whatnot, such as these ones that I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. So if you're serious about making money with print on demand this year, Q2 and Q3, you need to know which suppliers are worth your time. So, all right, let's dive in. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your print-on-demand business, these 5 suppliers will give you a competitive edge in 2025, and they offer real, true wholesale prices. And make sure you stick around because I'll be sharing a side-by-side comparison chart so you can easily decide which one fits your business best. So the very first supplier number 1, Printify. Yes, this one is talked about. I've seen probably the most by a lot of the gurus that I follow. So first up, they have a community of suppliers and they're very flexible. And why I love it is because they have massive products with over 900 and their catalog has multiple print providers. So if one of the products is out of stock, you can offer from a different supplier. They have competitive pricing, especially with Printify Premium, which I highly recommend if you're scaling. They have seamless integration with Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. But the downsides are the quality can vary depending on the print provider. There's several print providers. There's some that I prefer over others, but you have to kind of explore according to your niche. Some products have longer shipping times, so always check fulfillment locations. But overall, if you want affordable pricing, the global shipping opportunity that's offered and tons of options, Printify is a solid choice. I've used it on a lot of my products. But even though you don't have to, I do recommend the paid version so your wholesale pricing can be anywhere from 20 to 30% lower, especially if you plan on Printify being your primary print provider. Now, my primary print provider is supplier number 2, Interest Print, is interestprint.com. So this is a lesser known, but my go-to supplier and the one I've used the longest. Is a powerhouse when it comes to variety and competitive pricing. They are based in China and have top quality products. I have personally vetted this company by purchasing several items for quality control over the last 5 years. Now, here's why Interest Print stands out. They have a huge range of products. They include very unique items like car seat covers for babies, backpacks, bedding, diaper bags, and shoes. They have a low base cost with higher profit margins. They have consistent print quality and no excessive delays on shipping. They are ideal for general stores, women's and men's unique apparel, and trending seasonal items. Now, there are some downsides because they're in China. The interface isn't a user-friendly interface like Printify. It doesn't integrate directly with Etsy, so you have to manually prepare your listings, but it does with Shopify. Shipping times vary based on location. Some products take 15 to 20 days shipping times. Look at the other suppliers I will mention here in a moment to see if you can get the same products made there at lower prices because Interest Print will sometimes use these other suppliers' products as their own, and then they mark the prices up. So as long as you're upfront, though, with the shipping times in your Etsy listings, you should be fine with the shipping time. So if you want to offer products that most competitors don't, Interest Print is a game changer. This is the company that brought me into 6 figures just this last year. You can find high demand, low competition items that stand out on Etsy and Shopify. Now, supplier number 3, I recently just found this year. If you're into high quality home decor and some fantastic baby items at amazing prices, Print Doors is your best bet. This is another lesser known and not talked about print-on-demand supplier that has some great quality products that will help you compete with true wholesale prices. Now, without feeling like you have to compete with oversaturated mugs or t-shirts. See, now what makes Print Doors special is they have this wide variety and range of products in home decor, specifically like pillows, rugs, oversized rugs, blankets, wall art, and again, a fun array of baby products. There's so many baby items. I love this store because my first store is a baby items store. They have affordable pricing and you don't sacrifice quality. Now their quality does rival top tier brands, but at a fraction of the price. These guys are best for branding and higher ticket items, and you can sell premium products at premium prices. They do have private label branding with bags and tags to include in your shipments. Now, some of the potential downsides, some products do have longer production times. They're based in China, so shipping times vary from 12 to 15 days in most cases. But they do have express shipping options available that you can offer your customers. Now, most of the time, just like with Interest Print, if you are upfront and transparent with the shipping times, customers will not have a problem with this. People got used to longer shipping times from COVID. Now, if you're looking for a supplier to help you create a premium home decor brand, Print Doors is my top pick for this year. Now, supplier number 4, we're already at supplier number 4. This is a company called 2addit.com. If you want to truly stand out, 2addit.com is a hidden gem for extremely unique products you won't find on the bigger print-on-demand platforms. Now, what's special about 2addit, they specialize in niche, one-of-a-kind items, and these are rare products like custom gadgets, accessories, and artistic decor. These are great for trend-based viral products. They're also great for medical-based products. They're perfect if you want to dominate a unique niche and avoid direct competition. Again, you won't have to compete with like mugs and t-shirts and sweatshirts. Now, because again, they are based in China as well, there are longer shipping times, just like Print Doors and Interest Print. They may require more manual setup depending on your platform, but they do have a direct integration with Etsy, which I love. So if you're looking for unique low competition products, 2addit.com is a must check out for this year. Now the final supplier number 5, is printkk.com. So let's talk about PrintKK. They are another lesser known but amazing supplier that specializes in super unique items. Stuff, again, you won't find anywhere else. Now, what's unique about PrintKK is they are completely different with their selection of products. They have hundreds and hundreds, which also include custom home decor, auto accessories, and rare niche products. They are a great option if you want to dominate a niche with exclusive products. They're very high quality prints with vibrant colors. Now, some cons, not as well known, but some of the lowest prices you will find out there. They are based in China. I have ordered some of their products and their quality is very acceptable. They have low competition, high demand products. They're an absolute gold mine. Now, those were my top 5. So below in the description, I have added links to all these print-on-demand suppliers and some additional helpful links to resources to move you forward in your own success. So which supplier are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let's talk. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more print-on-demand strategies every week. See you in the next video.